In this tutorial you will learn how to fix stray error, VCRUNTIME140.dll and MSVCP140.dll not found while trying to launch the game.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Select your language and then press download. Select both files. Press next. Save the files. Now run VCRUNTIME140.dll x64. Accept the terms and then press install. Press yes. Press close. Now run VCRUNTIME140.dll x86. Accept the terms and then press install. Press yes. Press close. Restart and your problem should be fixed.